Today we are going to be showing how a waterjet is used to cut the Geneva wheel bases. A waterjet is typically a 2D machining tool that uses a very high pressure water stream, usually mixed with an abrasive, to cut materials. Waterjets are versatile machines which can cut many different types of materials. The Geneva wheel bases are made from 3/8 thick aluminum sheet. We will be using a mixture of water and abrasive particles called garnet to cut our Geneva wheel bases. We will first depressurize the garnet hopper so that we can fill it with the garnet. After filling the hopper with the garnet, we repressurize the hopper. We will now need to home the machine and then set the job or user home location for our particular project to ensure that the machine starts at the correct X, Y, and Z location for our job. First, we will position the machine at the correct Z height using a gauge block. The gauge block is used to set the cutting head at 100 thousandths of an inch above the material. Now we position the X and Y user home location. The X and Y user home location for a part or series of parts on a waterjet is typically in the bottom left corner of the work area. After we are in the correct X, Y, and Z location, we set the job or user home location in the software. Here we have all of our DXF file vector cut lines for the Geneva wheel base. The job has been nested to cut multiple parts in a straight line. We can now start the waterjet pump. Once the pump reaches a pressure of 50,000 psi, we can start the job. Each part will take about 7 minutes to complete. Here's our part post-waterjet. You may notice that the cutouts have tabs on each of them. We place a very small tab on each cutout in order to keep the pieces from becoming dislodged during the waterjet process. If a piece were to become dislodged and cock at an angle, the cutting head may crash into the dislodged piece. Having tabs ensures that everything will stay flat during the machining process. The tabs are designed to be thin enough so that the dropouts break off by hand. After removing the breakouts, a file should be used to clean off the burr from each tab. Here's our water-jetted Geneva wheel base.